Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into something super fascinating. We're getting a true behind-the-scenes look at the exact blueprint used to construct a highly polished, 15-minute technical masterclass on Postman. We aren't just going to talk about what Postman is, we're actually going to reverse engineer the anatomy of how you teach a complex technical subject effectively. It's kind of like taking apart a high-performance engine to see exactly what makes it tick. To master this, we'll be covering the Postman walkthrough blueprint, the 5 API testing fundamentals, structuring the content, the video production process, and finally, the promotion playbook. Let's get right into it. Part 1, the Postman walkthrough blueprint and setting up those foundational parameters. So, before we can even think about building a technical tutorial, we've got to clearly define our core subject matter. Grounding your viewer is step 1. Postman is fundamentally a specialized tool utilized specifically for API testing. Establishing this simple definition right out of the gate is absolutely crucial. It ensures nobody gets left behind before the real technical deep dive even begins. What's incredibly interesting is how ruthlessly a 15-minute window is divided to maximize learning without losing attention. Think about it. You get exactly 30 seconds, just half a minute, for an intro to hook the audience and preview the material. The lion's share, about 13.5 minutes, is fiercely protected for the main content and practical examples. And then, a really tight 1-minute outro provides a recap and a call to action. It's literally a precise mathematical formula designed purely for maximum engagement. No fluff allowed. Moving on to Section 2. Here are the 5 API testing fundamentals and core API concepts. If you really want to teach API testing effectively, this blueprint isolates 5 core pillars as absolute non-negotiable takeaways. First, firmly establishing Postman as a dedicated tool. Second, teaching the vital mechanics of sending requests and validating responses. Third, showing how to organize those tests logically into collections. Fourth, automating those workflows for real-world efficiency. And number 5, sharing those resources with a team. Anchoring learners to a clearly defined set of concepts like this is exactly how you drive real, lasting retention. When you get right down to it, API testing essentially boils down to a vital 2-step dance. You're firing off a request and then critically evaluating the data you get back in the response. This is the very heartbeat of the subject matter. Translating the abstract concept of asking a server a question and checking its answer makes programming logic instantly digestible for anyone learning it. All right, on to Section 3, structuring the content, specifically scripting and pacing. 150. This number is essentially the golden rule of script pacing. You want to target 150 words per minute to hit a natural conversational speaking rhythm. For a 15-minute walkthrough, that adds up to a script of roughly 2,300 words. Speak any faster than that, and you're going to completely overwhelm your learners. Speak any slower, and, well, they're going to tune out entirely. It's all about finding that Goldilocks zone. Mapping out the content sequentially reveals how the narrative builds incredible momentum. The first 3 minutes are purely dedicated to defining the topic and why it matters. Minutes 3 to 6 carefully unpack the theory. Then, boom, a pivot to practical application, shifting into real examples from minute 6 all the way through to minute 12. The final stretch covers best practices, gotchas, and resources. You're taking the viewer on a highly deliberate, seamless journey from basic definitions all the way to complex, real-world execution. This brings us to Section 4, the video production process. Let's see how we bring this script to life. The production engine really kicks into gear when we transform the written word into a raw visual performance. Step 1 is writing out that full conversational script from the outline. Step 2 is designing graphics and pulling together B-roll. Step 3 is the actual on-camera recording. And Step 4, that's intricately layering in animations and text overlays to keep the visual pacing just as dynamic as the audio. Then we move right into the final polish with steps 5 through 8. Step 5 involves professional editing and color grading. Step 6 is absolutely crucial, adding captions for accessibility, which is a true must-have for any technical content today. Step 7 is designing an eye-catching thumbnail. And finally, Step 8 is meticulously optimizing the title and description for search engines. It's a huge transition from simply cutting raw footage to making the final product highly discoverable. Now, if you are planning a technical rollout of your own, take a really close look at how this blueprint allocates resources. It takes 2 to 3 hours just to expand the script, another hour or 2 for the recording phase, and up to 3 more hours for the editing and graphics work. Think about that. That is roughly 8 hours, an entire workday of dedicated effort from specialized personnel like writers, videographers, and editors just to create 15 minutes of polished education. The ratio of hidden off-screen effort to the final on-screen output is honestly staggering. Finally, Section 5, the promotion playbook. Time for a strategic launch. The blueprint absolutely does not stop at the initial upload. It atomizes those core concepts into platform-specific content to capture attention across the entire social landscape. You're extracting snappy sound bites, building detailed LinkedIn carousels, filming quick Instagram reels, and writing out informative tweet threads. The secret here is actively taking the education exactly to where your learners are already hanging out. And this really highlights the ultimate goal of the promotion playbook: repurposing high-effort technical content to maximize its value and visibility. One 15-minute masterclass is essentially the engine that fuels an entire multi-platform educational campaign. That strategy guarantees you get the absolute best possible return on that huge 8-hour production investment we just talked about. So I want to leave you with a thought to reflect on the immense, often hidden effort behind creating top-tier technical education. It's super easy to consume a quick tutorial, right? But actually building one requires precision, strategy, strict pacing, and serious production mechanics. With over 8 hours of dedicated production required for just 15 minutes of content, how will you streamline your next technical deep dive? Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and keep exploring the fascinating mechanics behind the information.